I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing a small inventory. The primary question words kim, k a letter 1e25, katam, katapaya. Once done, attach them to a verb or noun phrase. Make sure to apply sandhai so endings join smoothly. Focus first on simple present and past sentences. Practice by converting statements into questions. Change R a macron M, a letter 1e25 gakati, to K a letter 1e25 gakati or Kim gakati, depending on target. Repeat aloud to feel pronoun shifts. Next, expand into case usage and emphasis. You'll learn why K a letter 1e25 queries people while Kim asks about objects or concepts. Combine with accusative or genitive when necessary. For example, Kim R a macron M e letter 1e47 a K letter 1e5 bt a letter 1e43. Once you understand placement, vary word order to change focus. Fronting the question word makes it topical. Practice embedding questions in subordinate clauses and using particles like nu and ka to soften or confirm. Keep listening for vowel harmony. Finally, consolidate by pairing form with intonation. Add nu for polite checks and use kim alone for open-ended queries. Once formed, test by answering and ensuring case agreement. If confusion arises, recheck sandhai and pratyaya attachment first. Make sure verbs match subject number. If that fails, simplify to a two-word frame and rebuild. Practice with recordings and self-correction cycles. Record, compare, and repeat until the question words feel natural in varied contexts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.